Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Mayank Toma. I am here to present a presentation over a topic, profitability ratio. The first, I would like to tell you the definition of profitability ratio. Profitability ratio is a useful tool to assess the ability of company to generate profit. These ratio can also be used to compare the business performance with the other business in the same industry. Types of profitability ratio are gross profit margin, operating profit margin, in net profit margin, return on asset, return on equity, and return on capital employed. First, the gross profit margin. It is calculated as gross profit upon net sales into 100, where the gross profit is calculated as sales minus cost of goods sold, and net sales is calculated as total sales minus sales returns. The ratio comes in percentage form, and the higher ratio the better it for the company. The next slide is about operating profit margin. It is calculated as operating profit upon net sales into 100, where the operating profit is calculated by adding non-operating expenses and deducting non-operating income from the net profit. The ratio typically measures the operating performance and efficiency of the company. A higher net profit but the lower operating profit ratio is indicative of poor operational performance of the company. The next slide is about net profit ratio. It is calculated as the net profit upon the net sales into 100, where the net profit figures come after deducting all operating and non-operating expenses from the gross profit figure and adding non-operating and operating income to gross profit figure, and the net sales figure remains same as used in gross profit formula. Return on, and the next slide is about return on investment. The return on asset ratio is important profitability ratio because it is measure the efficiency with which company is managing its investment in asset and them to generate profit.
My name is Deepesh Padharia, MBBA 6th B. My slides is return of equity. It is calculated as net profit after preference dividend shareholders equity, where shareholders equity is calculated by subtracting total liabilities from total assets. This ratio measures how the company is using the shareholders fund, and higher the ratio the better is as far as investors are concerned. Hence, in a way, this ratio is more useful for investor than the company because it's help the investor is knowing whether their capital is used properly or not. It is return on capital employed. Ratio used to determine the return that a company is generating from the capital employed within the business. Second, the ratio is used to measure the efficiency with which your long-term capital is being used in generating profit for the business. The ratio is also helps to assess the ability of business to generating sufficient return for covering cost of its capital. This ratio express the profit available to capital providers as the percentage of the long-term capital employed within the business, regarding of whether that money has been supplied is owners or lenders. It takes into account source of finance. My name is Deepesh Padharia, MBBA 6th B. My slide is environmental scanning. Environmental scanning can be defined as process by which organization monitor their relevant environment to identify opportunities and threats affecting their business for purpose of taking strategic decision. Second slide, factors to be considered for scanning. The external environment in which of an organization exists consists of bewildering variety of factors. These are as below. First is events. Events are important and specific occurrence taking place in different environmental sectors. Second is trends. Trends are general trend research or the courses action along with event take places. Third is issue. Issue are current concerns that arise in response to event and trends. Fourth is expectations. Expectations are demand made by interest group in light of their concern of issues. My third slide is approaches to environmental scanning. CUB has suggested three approaches which could be adopted for sorting out information of environmental scanning. These three approaches are: first is systematic approaches, second is ad hoc approaches, and third is process form approach. First is systematic approach. Under this approach, information the environmental scan is collected systematically. Information related to marketers and customers, changes in legislation and regulation that have a direct impact on organization activities, etc. It could be collected continuously to monitor change and take the relevant factors into account. Continuously updating such information is necessary not only for strategic management but also for operational activities. Second is ad hoc approach. Using this approach, an organization may conduct special surveys and studies to deal with specific environmental issues. From time to time, such studies may be conducted for instance with an organization has to undertake a special project, evaluate existing strategies of device new strategies. Third is process from approach. For adopting this approach, the organization uses information is processed from available from different sources both inside and outside the organization. When an organization uses information supplied by government, agency or private institution uses secondary sources of data and information is available in process form. Thank you so much.